Hello, Mr. Markandeya Katsu. You come to the Twitter. Thank you, my lord. You still remain to be a lord in my heart. Because you tell something about the judges that is very useful to me, my lord. I can openly go and say that District Munisip S. Muthukumaravel is a blind buffalo. District Munisip S. Muthukumaravel is a blind buffalo for issuing concocted, corrupted, mollified, illegal interim injunction number 81 of 2014. And I am able to say one Muslim judge, woman judge by name Bashat Begum is also an illiterate Muslim judge, and she should be sent to Pakistan for hanging because India will not heed to justice. Especially political parties listen to only injustice and sob in their face for the next election. What is this, my lord, now? Please tell me, my lord. Markandeya Katsu. Please tell me, my lord. Markandeya Katsu. When order is based on injustice, yes, sir, the order given in my in a case OS 30 of 2014 is mollified, illegal, concocted, injustice, corrupted. That is OS 30 of 2014. Okay, sir, what is this? When order is based on injustice, disorder is the beginning of justice. Very good. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. The case foisted on me by my tenant and illiterate, corrupt advocate, Mr. S. Murugadas, with enrollment number 2094 of 2003. My lord, Mr. Markandeya Katsu, I want this fellow to be dismissed from the Bar Council of Tamilnadu, sir. Will you help me, sir? I will surrender unto your feet. I don't have a shame.
That a vast number of the cases are unnecessarily entertained in the name of public interest. I only wanted to remind ourselves that people who make law also are aware of the public interest. They are also conscious of the public morality. They are also in the knowledge of the constitutional morality.
To me, a judge who hears a case must deliver a judgment preferably within a month, and in any case within 3 months, as has been cautioned by Justice Thomas in the judgment. Not more than 3 months. Then what happens if a judge does not deliver a judgment in 3 months? I would tell the Chief Justice, whether it is Chief Justice of India or Chief Justice of the High Court concerned, should not allocate work to a judge who has judgments pending.
It is also for everybody. Yes, because we are interested in the institution. Either myself, my brother, or the VP, or Mr. Rajagopal, or the other advocates, and Mr. Palkanagara, and Mr. India Prasad. Everybody is interested in the institution.
May I make a mention that in contempt proceedings, the charges were so far not framed in blood. Before ever Mulade framed our charges, the parties are Mulade inquired. That is the legal charges to be framed, then Mulade.
Now I will pass the order. Please, 1 minute, yes. The last paragraph. We have no fear or hesitation in dealing with the matter and punish the condemned properly according to law. However, on the facts and circumstances, we are of the view that taking action only against Mr. P. Amalraj and Mr. A.K. Ramasamy, the condemned herein, would not be sufficient to prevent the persist illegal activities, which is going a number of years after the constitution of Madurai bench. A suggestion was placed before us by persons interested in the institution to consider concurrent filing of cases at the principal bench or closure of the Madurai bench for a certain period. Similarly, directions to the High Court administration to prevent illegal activities of certain group of lawyers. Similarly, to decide security arrangement to be made by the central uniformed force. We find it reasonable that Madurai bench has to be consulted, preferably headed by the Chief Justice, to give a full stop to the illegal activities of certain lawyers acting against the judicial institution, one of the important pillars of democracy, and also against majority of the advocates interested in the profession. When this is directed to place this matter before the Honorable Chief Justice for passing appropriate orders, we feel, I myself feel, that it should be placed before a larger bench to give a quietness, because today Mr. Amalraj is available, Mr. A.K. Ramasamy is available. Tomorrow some other Kupusam or Patrika may be available. But we have no great against this person or any other person. But the institution should function properly. Therefore, we need a proper guidelines from the Chief Justice.
Pachari Yoga International Trust is yoga and knowledge that cares more for the judges, registry, advocates, Bar Council and the clients as well. Hello. Forget all these things and try to learn yoga. Forget the politics. Forget the games. Forget eating in hotel. Forget your friends. But perform yoga. Okay.
This is a mindless litigation, and it's not a stray case. This kind of litigation goes on in this country every day, in many courts. But I don't understand. I can multiply the examples. If only I'm given time, in the next 10 minutes, I can tell you 10 examples which I dealt personally. It requires a clear policy on the part of the state. Private litigants need not have a policy because they are individuals. They have no obligation to the rest of the society, barring moral obligations or legal obligations stipulated by the law. But in the matter of litigation, they don't owe any obligation. But